Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to sell websites and boost followers and make money online. Let's go!
Welcome to Rich Boy Tech channel. Let's make money online.
So to do that, I will put a link in the description. The site is Rich Boy Tech account. When you go to the site, it will direct you to this page. You direct you to AcctBazaar.com where you can sign up. Make sure you use my link so you can get discount. So you input your name, your email, your phone number, and your password. Then click on sign up. So when you sign up, it's going to open like this. You see latest account, marketplace, my purchase, message, wallet, sell product. So what we are going to do now is sell products. Go to the website section. Go to the website section. So when you click on the website section, you can see that you will see different websites listed for sale. So you can see Korea's websites, Shopee websites, professional lawyer websites. So you can sell any website here. So let's click on this one, crypto investment and trading website. You can see the amount is around $350. So what we are trying to do now is get this site at a cheaper rate. They come to this place and sell it. Maybe you can get this site around for $150 and come to this site and sell it for $350. So I just made a profit of $200. So you click on sell products. Then you can pay with crypto, bank stroke, card, and AcctBazaar wallet. So we'll be using crypto to fund our $29. So we need to fund the account so we can sell. Before you can start selling on this website, I need to fund the account with $29. You are going to make it back. So now our account is funded. I just funded my account, so I can now sell product. So you can see the option, you can see category, you can sell Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, COD, anything, websites, boost your followers, anything, you can do it on this website. So our target here is website. So we're going to place an advert on this site. So get a professional e-commerce website for your business. So this is the ad we are placing on this site. Mind you, once you pay for the merchant, you can post 15 adverts on a daily basis. So you can post many things. If you have Facebook for sale, you can post it. If you have Twitter for sale, if you have Snapchat, TikTok, any social media, you can go to the websites and sell it. But now I don't have those things, so I'm going to put website. So you go to the website, the name, get a professional e-commerce website for your business. Then description, just write anything you want, make it catchy so that customers can see what you are selling. So I'm just doing this for example, like you can just put anything to make your ad look good. So our list here is shop. Take you to this other page where you can fill out the account credentials. So for example, if you are selling websites on this, if you are selling Facebook on this website, you put the Facebook username, account password, and the link of the Facebook. If the Facebook you are selling, the name is Charles Gabriel, just put facebook.com/ find the URL of the Facebook and input it there, so you can leave this additional information. Then you can just write additional information, message me or WhatsApp by number to get the website. So that's how it goes. So click on add accounts. So you have 40 upload left. Click on review. you review your adverts, then click on submit. So once you click on submit, it will take maybe 12 to 24 hours, 12 hours at most. Your ad should be up and running if there's no issue. So for that first advert, click on richboy.com. I will put a link in the description below where you can create website. So you go to this richboy.com/create. So you can either chat our live session. Just chat us up that you want to create a website. You can get a website at low as $60 in this site. At low as $60, you can get your website. So once the website is made, you go back to AcctBazaar and submit the link of the website. You go to AcctBazaar and click on sell products and fill the link of the website. Same thing if you want to boost your followers, chat us up at richboytech.com. Provide the Instagram link, we boost it for you instantly so you can give to the customer. So I'm going to show you my wallet, how much I made with this new account. I have like 3 accounts. This account is one of my accounts. So you can see I've withdraw money. I withdraw $110 before. I also withdraw $15 before. So on my next video, I'm going to show you. I'm going to withdraw this.